In this video, I'll show you how to request Payoneer receiving accounts. Payoneer receiving accounts give you local bank details that can be used to receive payments from approved companies, marketplaces, and business clients. Depending on your country and account eligibility, you may be able to request receiving accounts in currencies like USD, EUR, GBP, AUD, CAD, and more. First, open the official Payoneer website or mobile app and log in to your account. Make sure your account information is correct and that your email address and phone number are verified. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to Get Paid. In some accounts, this section may also appear as Receive or Receiving Accounts. Open that section to see the receiving account options available to you. If receiving accounts are already available, you may see a list of currency accounts. Select the currency you need, such as USD or EUR, and Payoneer will show the bank details connected to that currency. If the account is not available yet, look for a button such as Request Account, Request Receiving Account, Add Receiving Account, or Request Another Currency. Click or tap that option to begin the request. Payoneer may ask why you need the receiving account and how you plan to use it. For example, you may be asked whether you receive payments from freelance platforms, online marketplaces, affiliate networks, e-commerce stores, or business clients. Choose the option that best matches your real activity. Next, Payoneer may ask you to complete a questionnaire or provide extra information about your business. You may need to enter your website, marketplace profile, business page, service description, expected payment sources, or estimated monthly payment volume. Answer clearly and honestly, because your information helps Payoneer review your request. After that, go to the verification center and check if there are any pending requirements. Payoneer may ask for identity verification, address verification, bank account details, or business documents before approving receiving accounts. When uploading documents, make sure they are clear, valid, and match the information on your Payoneer account. Blurry, cropped, expired, or mismatched documents may delay approval. Once you submit the request, Payoneer will review it. Check your email and Payoneer dashboard regularly for updates. If approved, the new receiving account will appear under your receiving account section, and you can copy the bank details from there. Before using the account, read the payment guidelines shown by Payoneer. Some receiving accounts only accept business payments from approved companies and marketplaces, not personal transfers or unsupported deposits. That's how to request Payoneer receiving accounts safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.